so moving along to the relative frequency. The example I have written up here, take a frequency and divide it by the total. Okay, so if you're taking notes, frequency was 5. Our sigma frequency or total frequency is 30. 5 divided by 30, and we're just going to keep the decimal as is. Back in the old days, we would change it to a percentage, 16.7%, but right now we're just going to leave it as 3 decimal places. So around that third one, no big deal if you don't do that correctly. All right, 8 divided by 30. All right, now write it down here so you guys can read it. I know it'll be easier. 8 divided by 30, put on your calculators. Should be 0.267. All right, so that's the next one, 0.267. All right, 6 was our was the frequency for 171 to 226 divided by 30. Okay, 6 divided by 30 was 0.2. All right, so I think you guys should be okay with that. Again, if you get in trouble. Now, I always like it when you get a repeat. So there's a 5. We just take our answer here, 0.167. 2 divided by 30 was 0.067. 1 divided by 30, 0.033. And 3 divided by 30 was 0.1. Okay? And if you add these all up, it should equal 1.00. Okay? Or very close to it. All right, the last thing we have for today is the cumulative frequency. Okay? The cumulative frequency sometimes gets confusing, but it does take practice. So we take our smallest interval, or width, which was 59 and 114, and we just copy it. So there's 5. So what this is, when we accumulate junk in our attic, it adds up. And that's what we're going to do here. So 5 plus 8, and the tricky point for some of us is going to the correct column, is 13. So 5 plus 8 is 13. Now I'm going to take 13 and add 6 to it. 13 plus 6 is 19. And so now you guys should see the pattern. 19 plus 5 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. Plus 1 is 27. Plus 3 is 30. Be careful adding. And guess what? That is the same number as our sigma frequency, which tells me I have the correct answer. Okay? All right, guys, so that wraps it up. Do not hit pause because I do want to get you set up for your homework. You should be trying this on your own. Obviously, it could show up on our quiz next week. I'm flipping through my papers real quick. Okay, so just to get you set up, homework for 11.2. The most difficult thing is getting this width, right? So just as a review, our smallest example in dollars was $1,000. Our largest was 7,119. So we're figuring out how to do this first width on our homework. So we subtract it, and you should have gotten 6,119. Now, what do we divide it by? By how many classes there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good luck if you're trying to copy those answers. Divide it by 6. So it's going to be 1,019.83, which goes up to 1020. Now, okay, so there's your work, setting up the class. Now, I will help you. Our first class or interval on the chart for homework 11.2, I know I'm repeating myself, I don't care, is going to be 1,000 to 1,019. Okay? Wait a minute, I'm wrong on that. Are you kidding me? Oh, no, I'm not wrong. Okay? 1,019. And then we're going to go from there. Okay? Actually, I'm wrong. I am wrong. It's going to be 2,000. Sorry, I can't read my writing. Duh. Sorry, guys. So we're going to add it to this one. Why is that? Because it automatically is going to count to 1020. So that is a little bit of a pain in the neck. I realize it, especially when the teacher's trying to get you goofed up. Okay? And then use your notes to complete your homework. All right, guys. Have a great day. Thank you.